the Mac Mini has long occupied a fascinating niche, offering Mac performance in an ultra-compact form factor. Over its generations, Apple has steadily improved internal hardware while preserving the simplicity, quietness, and space-saving appeal. The introduction of Apple Silicon M-series chips elevated the Mini from a modest media box to a legitimate creative and productivity machine. With the M5, Apple has the opportunity to push that envelope even further. The promise: a leap in both power and efficiency that widens the gap between ultra-compact desktops and full-blown towers. It could become the go-to machine for makers, developers, and creators who demand serious performance but refuse to sacrifice desk space or silence. From leaked whispers, people expect a system capable of handling 8K editing, complex 3D rendering, and on-device AI processing, all within a tiny footprint. If Apple delivers, it might redefine what Mini means. 2. Chip and architecture. The M5 SoC. One of the core rumors is that the M5 will be built on a 2-nanometer process node, a significant shrink that, if true, gives Apple a major leverage point. Smaller processes can yield improved power efficiency and performance headroom compared to older nodes. The rumored internal structure of the M5 includes a next-generation neural engine or AI accelerator module designed for tasks such as live voice isolation, advanced video enhancement, and more. A unified memory architecture supporting high bandwidth across CPU, GPU, and neural units. Some leaks suggest that the M5 may outstrip the performance of the M3 Ultra in certain workloads. If the GPU side really doubles in throughput, then in graphics or compute-heavy tasks, the M5 Mac Mini could edge ahead of much larger machines. The chip is also expected to be tailored for low thermal output, meaning Apple may be able to sustain boost levels longer before throttling kicks in, especially with an improved cooling system, which I'll discuss later. While Apple rarely reimagines form factors drastically, the M5 Mac Mini is rumored to undergo a subtle but meaningful refresh. Some of the anticipated design changes: a thinner, more refined chassis that shaves off height and gives a sleeker profile, a magnetic power connector akin to what's used in the iMac line, faster detachment, and safer cable management, a dual-tone aluminum finish, adopting lighter and darker surfaces to reflect Apple's modern aesthetic, possibly a space black or darker variant, aligning the Mini with the premium styling of high-end MacBooks and positioning it more like a professional workstation. These changes aren't just about aesthetics. A slimmer design demands more thoughtful thermal engineering, more compact internal layouts, and potentially rethinking airflow paths to avoid thermal bottlenecks. To support high-demand workflows, the M5 Mac Mini's rumored connectivity upgrades are just as crucial as its internal hardware. Wi-Fi 7 support, offering higher throughput and lower latency, great for network-heavy work. Bluetooth 6E, enabling faster, more stable wireless peripheral connections. Thunderbolt 5/USB 4 Gen 3 ports, delivering blazing external SSD speeds, multi-display support, and future-proof bandwidth. Multiple USB-C/USB-A ports, HDMI, likely upgraded to 2.1. DisplayPort multiplexing, and perhaps even built-in 10 GB Ethernet. Given Apple's history, we may also see better integration between iPhone/iPad and Mac. Seamless file transfer, continuity features, and perhaps new sharing or AirDrop-style enhancements in macOS Sequoia. The M5 Mac Mini is expected to push the boundaries of what compact desktops can offer. Memory. RAM rumored support up to 64 GB unified memory, which would elevate versatility for creative professionals. Storage. SSD base models may start at 512 GB, with configurations up to 8 TB, or possibly more. These SSDs would likely incorporate read/write improvements over the M4 generation, leveraging faster bus protocols. A possible variant lineup: M5, M5 Pro, or M5 Max, to cater to different user segments, from entry users to power users who need